Day 11 of backtesting every day for 2025. We're going to jump back into the Forex market. Let's check out here. We have the pound yen, GBP, JPY pair. And you can see I got two indicators. Well, it's essentially the same indicator, but it's just in two different forms. Of course, it's an indicator. It's called the CHATS indicator. The CHANS. This is an exclusive indicator for Trendspider, which is cool. But the overall, the CHAN absolute trend strength, it is traded by many traders, and it's created. So Dr. Tushar Chan, he created the stochastic RSI, the A-Rune oscillator, Chan Kroll stop, Chan momentum oscillator, lots of different indicators this person created. And so this is a new indicator that they use, and it's absolute strength is a indicator that is a breakout friendly indicator that measures both momentum and trend persistence. All right, so it can use for any exchange, any instrument, any charting interval. The kind of the nitty gritty behind it, it combines a 14-day RSI and normalized 100-day returns, and the breakout of each bar beyond a 100-day price channel. We have and 25, 50, 75, 100-day Bollinger Bands. The calculations assign 30% of the weight to momentum and 70% to trend persistence. So calculations have been tweaked and the scale have been changed from prior versions. So by design, chats will fluctuate but remain above plus 50 or below minus 50 during major trends. So this is a standard, a key number we're going to be looking for. During very strong trends, the number will remain above 70 or below 70. If you're going bearish or short, below 70. If you're going bullish, plus 70. So during momentum surges, it will remain above 90 or minus 90. It can get pinned to even 100. Okay. So that's kind of hopefully you was able to follow. Let's just bring it up on a chart here. And this is the back testing of it. I'm going to do a short. Let's see. I'm going to do a short strategy on the 5-minute. Short only, 5-minute. We're going to go 20K bars. I'm going to do a take profit of 1.2%. Now, as a reminder, 1.2% price, not as in profit. 0.8 stop loss. And I'm going to add one more thing, a candle, so a time-based exit. Only if my P&L is less than 0.3. So if I'm in the negative, if the trade is running negative for 30 bars, then it'll close, it'll exit. Okay, so I have the indicator up here, and let's run it and let's see what kind of results we get for a short 5-minute strategy. All right, we're positive 3.2% out of 46 trades. So let's look at one entry, just a breakdown of what a simple entry will look like, right? So according to our script, we have our chats indicator. If it's below 70 or minus, it's greater than minus 70, so that shows that it's a strong trend, and then you want it to be less than negative 30. So here, let's bring this up. If we just zoom in on this particular entry here. Sorry. Okay, we got an entry to go short, and this particular number is at 25. So we're below minus 70. Oh no, we're greater than minus 70, and we are just below 30, minus 30. There you go. So we're at that point, and it initiates a short here. Okay, and it's taking a ride down, right? It avoided exiting on this pullback, even though price has on the chart or on the indicator shows that it's bullish trending, but it continues on and it rides this nice move all the way down here. So that was a nice win. So that's the type of trade, and it just exits based on, because I set my target profit here. So it re-enters again to go short. So we're at minus 52 on this lower panel here, and initiates a short. Oh, this one's the latest trade that is still ongoing. That's why you don't see a, let's see if there's a result. It's just going sideways, huh? Yeah. Trade, you're still in that trade. So that is one. This is a loss here prior to that win. We got an entry here, go short. And you look at the colors too, that on the chart of the candles, you got this strong lime green. You got this like grayish purple lavender type, and then you got like a more of a pink type of gradient, and then it goes to deep purple when it is strongly bearish. So there's just different gradients, and it kind of just shows you the strength of the current price action, and which is really cool. And so I use this in my daily chart. I use the chats indicator. I've built a few strategies using it. So let's take it that, like, going back to our performance, 3.2% positive gain, 46 trades. The strike rate is low at 28% only. So win almost 3, lose 7. All right, your max drawdown is 4.2, which is not bad. Okay, your wins are about like a 4-1 compared to your loss, right? Oh, they're a little over 3-1. There you go, 3.2. Taking about one trade a day or one entry over these 98 days. And so now the question is, okay, we got a base short. How can we, is there ways to improve it? Is there ways to modify it? You know, do I go for a shorter? Do I go for less of a profit? Let's look what that looks like. A 1-to-1. You know, does it improve our performance, or does it hinder our performance overall? And it brings it down. We're doing 24 more trades, and it brings it down almost 1%. Our win rate does go up a little bit, but and then we're taking more trades essentially, and we're losing 1% more. So to me, that doesn't make sense, right? Let's see if it goes for if we go for 2% instead of a 1-to-1. We're gonna go almost at like a 4-to-1. All right, so we're up at 5% because we're catching the bigger move. The win rate does go down 7% from the original. We were at 28%, taking 38 trades total. So that's still around one entry. That's still one entry per day for this particular market. Let's look at this chart here. So are we getting a bunch of entries while the market is trying to, you know, don't be overwhelmed about this. Lots of these colors. We got the blue is your equity curve, right? The big red, the red is your drawdown, but you got the charting candle price action here, right? And the green highlights you in the trade and taking wins, and then the red going through, that is showing your losses throughout the time here. All right, so to me, this is a profitable base. How can we improve the selection of the entries? Okay, because it's clearly trying to, like, yeah, it's just one type of filter to go short, and we're gonna get stopped out a lot. I mean, fortunately, it's only minus 4.2%. drawdown of this sample size in 98 days. But it's just things of, it gets you thinking on what else can I add to this particular strategy, or how do I hedge it? How do I balance it out with a long strategy, and really just take it from there, because like it does great with downtrends as we intended this particular strategy to do. So that is a 5-minute strategy with pound, yen, and hopefully you guys got some value of that. Tune in for the next episode.